So line L1 gives us 2 points it goes through, and then it tells us there's another line L2 which is perpendicular and also goes through one of those points. We've got to find the equation of it. Right, so the first thing we need to do is to find the gradient of the line L1. Now, I'll call it M1 equals change in y divided by the change in x. Now I'm sorry, I think I've left the cursor line there, but that should just be 2. So the y coordinate of point Q is just 2, minus the y coordinate of point P, which is 5, divided by x coordinate of Q, 3, minus x coordinate of P, which is 1. 2 minus 5 is 3, minus 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we've got the gradient minus 3 over 2. Now when it comes to line L2, we know that line is perpendicular, so we know that the gradient of line L2 is going to be such that when we multiply it by the gradient of L1, it should give us the answer minus 1. And a quick way of working it out is to turn the fraction upside down and change the sign. So the gradient of M2 will just be 2/3, and it also goes through the point P, which is the point 1, 5. So to find the equation of L2, we can just do y minus 5 equals 2/3 of x minus 1. And what we can do then, we can multiply at the bracket and add 5 to both sides. So it will be 2/3 x minus 2/3 add on 5 equals 2/3 of x minus 2/3 plus 5 is like, what's that? It's like minus 2 plus 25 all over 3. Sorry, minus 2 plus 15. So it's plus 13 over 3. And I'll just write it out to make it clear. L2 dot dot, the equation is y equals 2/3 of x plus 13 over 3.